Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial, literally the first makeup tutorial in 2020. I'm going to try to do more of these because I feel like my makeup tutorials are super simple, but it looks like you did a lot. I really like that finesse beauty. So literally I just used 3 colors and I came up with this look. So if you want to see how to do this look, just keep on watching. And by the way, I know my wig has a whole hump in it and I don't know why. I've been trying to flatten it out, but it is what it is. You know, we real on this channel. So anyways, let's just get to the tutorial. Alright, so I already have one eye done and I also have foundation on. I used the Fenty foundation, the hydrating one. And then I did this one off camera because I like to practice at first, just to see the gist and all that good jazz. So what I use is the Jaclyn Hill palette. And I only use 2 colors because most of the time I do super simple makeup. So it's this color, which is Alert, and Rush. Those 2 colors. And then in the inner corner, we're going to use the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife. So let's get started. So I'm going to start off with my crease color, which is Alert. And I just buff it in to my crease. And you want to add a lot so the pigmentation is good. Alright, so now that I have my crease color on, I'm going to add my lid color, which is the color Rush. And we're going to pack it on. And I like to go a little bit above my crease area because I kind of have a hooded lid. So like when I open my eyes, I want to be able to see that color. So just keep packing until you get a super intense color. I like to go back and forth between the darker orange, the lighter orange, the darker orange, the lighter orange, just to get a intense color. And I like to pat it on because I feel like the color just stays there, besides because when you swipe, I feel like you swipe off the color. Now I'm going to add the Fenty Beauty and Trophy Wife, and it looks like this. If you haven't seen what it looks like, it's literally like a yellow highlighter or like a pure gold. And we're just going to put that in our inner corner. I kind of like to bring it up now because I feel like that looks cute. It's actually Metro Boomin on this side, so I'm going to add a little more on this side. This highlighter is so pretty to me. So now we're going to go back into the color that we used in our crease, and I'm going to put it on my bottom lash line. I feel like this just brings your look together, makes it look like you do a little bit more. So just buff that in there. And then I'm going to line my eyes and add some lashes. I just added a lash that has a wing and is super spacey. I got it from Ross, so I don't know what they're called, but this is what they look like. So you guys can get the gist of what it looks like. That's what it looks like, so you can get something similar to that. For some reason, I feel like I put a lot more highlighter on this side, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna line my lids. I'm using the BH liner, and I just like the cream liner. It's bomb.com. And I'm probably gonna do this off camera because I always have a hard time with liner on camera for some reason. It shouldn't be so complicated. Let me see if I can do it. I always feel like I have to rush, that's probably why. So I'm just gonna fix it up, but that's my wing, okay? Alright, so I have my lashes on, and I added some of the Trophy Wife to my cheeks, and this is like the finished look. You can add like a lip gloss or whatever, a lipstick. I'm more of a lip gloss kind of person, so I'm just gonna add this like nude. This is like literally the same color as my lips. It is in the color Madeline from NYX. It is a butter gloss. I freaking love butter glosses. They're amazing. I feel like you can see, it's okay, like you can see my makeup and stuff, but this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. As you guys know, my tutorials are super simple, easy to follow, literally 3 colors. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next one. See ya.